Hello dear learners, welcome to Exploring Self. I am Sarika and today I am going to take up a very interesting chapter of your syllabus, that is population education. In population education, we will study meaning of population education, objectives of population education, need and importance of population education, meaning of population explosion, causes of population explosion, consequences of population explosion and control of population explosion. This chapter is basically very vast and it is not possible to cover it in one lecture. So we'll study these topics one by one. In this lecture, we are going to discuss only the meaning of population education in detail. So let's start. The term population education is made up of two words, population and education. Population is a group of individuals of the same species that occupy a specific area over a certain period of time. And education is the teaching or training of people, especially in schools or institutions. It is acquisition of skills, knowledge, values, beliefs and habits. So, population education means to educate the people about the dynamics of population or to educate the people about the need, importance and methods of population control. Population education is a course of instructions which helps the people to learn about the dynamics of population, causes of its growth and its repercussions or consequences if allowed to increase without check on the personal life of an individual and socio-economic life of the country as a whole. I have used the word dynamics. Dynamics of population or population dynamics means change in population over a period of time. Population change is determined mainly by four factors in any area or in any country. These four factors are birth rate, death rate, immigration and emigration. Birth rate is annual number of births per thousand total population. Death rate is the annual number of deaths per thousand population. Immigration is the process through which an individual becomes permanent resident of another country, or we can say movement of people into country from another country. And emigration is act of leaving a resident country or to permanent leave the country. So population change or population dynamics provides us the knowledge of all these concepts and make people aware about the problems of population. Population education is gaining immense importance in today's world. The earth has witnessed the unprecedented growth of population in the last century. This has resulted in the birth of several social, economic and environmental problems. Rapid rise in the population in the world, particularly in the developing countries, is giving rise to the issues like unemployment, pollution, poverty, inflation, overcrowding, overexhaustion of natural resources. As you know, even the fast progress of science and technology has not been able to curb the menace of population and its effects on each and every aspect of society in particular and the earth in general. So it was very important to introduce a multidimensional subject which would enhance awareness among people to make rational and responsible decisions about population related processes. So, keeping in view the problems of increasing population, a need is being felt for imparting factual knowledge about population dynamics so that younger generation may understand the nature and magnitude of burden imposed by the rapid population growth. The term population education was coined by Professor S.R. Wayland of Columbia University, USA in 1935. Let us discuss the meaning of some of the definitions of population education. V.K. R.V. Rao said, population education is not only concerned with the population awareness, but it also develops values and attitude among the people. It develops the attitude among the students Means population education has capacity to change the mindset of the people. It has capacity to change the mindset of the students. Now let's discuss Burleson's view. According to him, this subject helps in exploration of knowledge about population, about the family and sex. It deals with so many concepts like family planning, reproduction, education, family living, and basic values. Now let's discuss Gopal Rao's view. He talked about the rational decisions. He said that population education is an educational program which enables the students to take very fair decisions and think about the problems arising out of population growth. Thus, it is very much clear that education which is concerned with the issues of population is called population education. There are different names for it. Some people call it sex education, some call it family planning. It includes knowledge of population growth, economic development of a country and population, social development of a country and population, health, nutrition and population, biological factors, family life and population. So this was all regarding the meaning of population education.